The Bose Lifestyle Ultra Speaker drenches any space in audio, making every moment memorable. In this video, we'll walk you through the initial setup and take a quick look at the controls. Inside the box, you'll find your Bose Lifestyle Ultra Speaker, a power cord, and product documentation. Now, let's set up your speaker. Make sure to place your speaker on a stable and level surface, and do not place it on top of any audio or video equipment that may generate heat. You can also wall mount the speaker or attach it to a floor stand. Watch our support videos if you need additional help. Connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the speaker. Plug the other end into a power outlet. The speaker automatically powers on. The status light slowly pulses a series of colors the first time it's powered on. Please note, if you're connecting multiple products from the Bose Lifestyle collection, start with the soundbar for a more seamless setup. To complete setup and take advantage of everything your speaker has to offer, you'll need to download the Bose App. To quickly find the app, scan the QR code located on the Quick Start Guide. Once it finishes installing, open the app and log in with a My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap Set Up New Product. A scan will begin searching for your speaker. Once it appears, tap Add and then tap Pair. Next, choose how you would like to use your speaker. For help with building a home theater system or stereo pair, watch our configuration support video next. You can always set up a different configuration at a later time. For this example, we'll choose to set up the speaker for solo sound. Now connect your speaker to your Wi-Fi network. There are some finishing touches you can complete at any time to dial in the full experience. You can give your speaker its own unique name, set up voice control via Amazon Alexa, take a tour of all your speaker's features, and set up a stereo pair. Now, let's take a look at the controls located on the top of the speaker. There's a Bluetooth button, action button, microphone off button, a volume down and volume up button, and a play-pause button. In addition to using the volume up and down buttons, you can also swipe clockwise on the volume ring to quickly increase the volume, or swipe counterclockwise to quickly decrease the volume. Double tap the play-pause button to skip to the next track, and triple tap to skip to the previous track. If you've set up Amazon Alexa on your speaker, you can use your voice to summon Alexa, or you can tap the action button. Use the microphone off button to turn off the microphone. Use the Bluetooth button to connect a mobile device for Bluetooth audio streaming. You can store up to 8 devices in the Bluetooth device list. You can also stream audio from a mobile device with AirPlay, Google Cast, and Spotify Connect. Additionally, you can connect an audio source using the 3.5mm auxiliary port on the back of the speaker. To quickly switch to your wired source, touch and hold the play-pause button for 3 seconds until the status light blinks white twice. You're all set up. For additional support, visit our website or watch another video.